How does the lead generation business model work? How do you make money with lead generation? That's what I want to talk about in today's video. I am the cold email king. I wrote the book Cold Email Manifesto, and we've made millions of dollars selling leads, both at X27, our lead generation agency, and now at LeadShark. So in today's video, I want to take you through the process of selling leads. What is the lead generation business model? Stick around. This is going to be a good one. But before we jump into it, make sure that you subscribe down below and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's go to the piece of paper and I'll show you the lead generation business model. So what is business? Business is buying something for $1 and selling it for $1 plus some amount. This amount is your profit. So the true lead generation business model would be buying leads for, let's say from LeadShark, for 0.50 per lead, and then you sell them. So you buy for this amount, and then you sell for any amount over this. So 0.50 and up. So how can you frame the leads in a way that gets people to buy? Well, there are plenty of ways to justify this profit number. The first thing that you can use to justify it is time savings / hand holding. That means that people pay you an extra fee because they don't have to use the database. Somebody hires you as a lead generator and gives you the criteria, and you just deliver the leads every single month. So that's time savings, that's automation, and that allows you to add some profit for your labor. Another way to do it is arbitrage. Arbitrage means taking advantage of the difference between the actual price and the price that the consumer thinks it should cost. So this will allow you to go on a platform like Upwork, for instance, and sell leads for $1 a lead because they don't know that a lead should be 50 cents. Or if you're on the bigger LeadShark packages, maybe you negotiate a crazy good enterprise deal and you get leads for 35 cents. Now you can sell them for 50 cents and still make money in between. That is arbitrage. So what is the lead generation business model? Well, you download leads from LeadShark, you sell them to customers on various other platforms, and you make a profit, you make money. That is the lead generation business model. So how do you actually sell these leads once you have them? Well, there's a couple different platforms that you can go to. You can sell leads on Fiverr. There's a ton of different lead generation offers there. People will go there and buy leads. You could sell leads on Upwork, which is another freelancing platform where there's a ton. Every time I try to buy leads on Upwork, I get hit by 20 or 30 different people trying to offer them. So it's a very competitive marketplace. Maybe not the best place to go for arbitrage, but a great place to go for time savings. The number one spot to sell leads though, is not Fiverr, it's not Upwork. It is direct pitching via cold email. What is a cold email? A cold email is sending a message to somebody that has never met you before and pitching your product or service to them in a way that gets them to buy. What I like about cold email is you're entering the world of the qualified prospects. You're sending cold emails to SDRs, that's a sales development rep. You're sending cold emails to director of sales. You're sending cold emails to CEOs even. Anyone that's buying leads, you can contact directly via cold email. And that's what makes this more effective. Because if you want to use arbitrage, you really don't want a customer that knows how cheap leads are. Otherwise, the arbitrage opportunity wouldn't exist. If you reach out to a CEO to sell cold email leads and they tell you that they can get leads for 50 cents on LeadShark, now all of a sudden you can't sell the leads for 65 cents or $1. So in order to maintain that arbitrage and that information disconnect, you will need to send cold emails to these people. In order to find the script for selling lead generation via cold email, we actually made a whole YouTube video on that. So I would watch that next if I were you. In terms of finding the lead criteria, then there's one place to go to get these leads in order to sell them as part of the lead generation business model. And that is leadshark.com. Has all of the leads you need, verified, ready to go with a 0% bounce rate guarantee. So even if your leads bounce on send, you get 5 for free. So you're actually incentivized to have more bounces, and our company is incentivized to decrease the bounce rate. So check that out at leadshark.com. Do you have any more questions on the lead generation business model? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to get a conversation going. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Berman.